I don't know if you guys hear that, but I'm seconds away from getting a flat tire. Well, when I'm in doubt with the shock, I bring it to my man, Auto Max. I ain't no car Nostradamus, but I don't think your tire's supposed to look like that. This guy's honestly the best, yo. So I'm off to get a tire, and I'll be back to fix this whip. This guy just bet him $5 that he couldn't do a kickflip. He got it once though. He's still clutching the $5. All right, and just like that, we're back on the road.
Girl in the beautiful journey because he is not love with the heart and sing. Come on, did I say?
Oh, I guess we're taking off our shoes.
Come on.
Okay, I'm taking them off.
Look at Batman.
Where do you want to go?
No, come on.
Okay.
Look at Batman.
Okay. It's like we're on the beach.
Take your diarrhea, take a fly away.
Oh!
Take a diarrhea from a fly away. Fly away from your diarrhea. Fly away from your turd. You didn't know it's a turd. You had to spoon. Yeah, my mama said spoon. My mama said turd. One time my mommy, when we were playing hide and seek, mommy got a big old turd in the toilet.
Swear to God, they'll stay on this for like 45 minutes. Pretty sure Max and Parent are in the skate park right now, picking a fight with this guy who touched their shoe. But they probably can't climb the ramp very well. Like Parent's falling down, he can't even climb it.
Yeah, lots of stuff. Shut up!
They're straight up picking a fight with this group of kids. I can't even believe this. Oh no! So these are some of the bugs that they collect. Baby spiders. Close it, close it.
No, you close it. I don't want it. It's bad. I'm too scared.